We're out here in Royal Palm. We're gonna do a pool rescreen here. Royal Palm, we're in Wellington, not no Royal Palm. We're gonna rescreen all this, take all this down, pressure clean it. When we get to it, we're gonna start unloading and rock and roll. Hey.
You can hire the other guys, or you can hire the best. Solid Makers Aluminum Structures. Go ahead and ask your mama. We don't play. We get the job done. Best in the business. Our craftsmanship and attention to detail is unmatched. Visit us online, www.solidmakersaluminum.com.
Look, I'm gonna show y'all guys something. When you get someone to rescreen your pool, make sure, I don't know if you can see from here. If you look at those squares over there, you see they're individually. They're put on there individually. You see this one? This is one piece they put from here all the way over there. Let's see if you guys can see it. Just one piece. Instead of every square having its own piece. The bad thing about that is if it gets loose right here, the whole thing will fly away. So something to think about. When you get your rescreening guy, if they're charging you dirt cheap, it's probably because they're just gonna roll one giant piece up there. In the middle right here, there's no spline right here. See the difference over there? Something to think about.
Solid Makers Aluminum Structures is a licensed and insured family-owned and operated business. Just listen to your wife and hire a professional. Give us a call, 239-370-8055 or 561-755-2193.
Y'all know the drill. We got another one done out here in Wellington.
You can hire the other guys, or you can hire the best. Solid Makers Aluminum Structures. With over 30 years experience, we're the baddest builders in town. Yeah. Solid Makers Aluminum Structures. hire a professional. Give us a call. 239-370-8055 or 561-755-2193.